Home Show.
Ryan from Alvin has a question about a room addition.
Well, he's lucky because his house came with this 300 square foot portico. And Ryan writes, I want to make it part of the living area. He says, my concern, though, is keeping the water out of the room. Do I install a moisture barrier on the existing slab and pour a few inches on top of it so it levels up with the living area? Or just pour 4 inches around the perimeter to stop water intrusion? Tom, what's your advice?
Okay, first off, everybody comes up with this idea that they're going to build a little wall around the outside and no water is going to come through. That's baloney. Yeah. It doesn't work. It will find that little tiny crack between the two concretes and it's coming in.
But it worked for the little Dutch boy. You know, he put his finger in the dike. It stopped the water.
Well, it's not a hole. It's a crack.
Okay.
It's a little bit of, it's just going to come in. Right. The bottom line is this. You build it up to the level of the rest of the house, and there's a reason it's that high, so water doesn't come in. You don't have to put a moisture barrier down. All you need to do is form it and make sure you have it. I don't know how high you're going to go, but 3 inches is kind of minimum, because you don't want it just to crumble away. And then you're going to pour a raised concrete area that's going to be as high as the rest of the living space, and the water, as long as it doesn't build up and it drains away, it won't come in. And that's the only way to do it.
All right. The only way to get the right answers, visit HomeShowRadio.com, fill out that Ask Tom form, fill it out, send it in. We'll do a video like this. We post one every day, in case you didn't know. Post them to our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, and right there, HomeShowRadio.com.